start a vlog. We've gone past the 24-hour mark and we're stuck with a flat tyre, about 60 kilometres, no money. We're all rooting for the boys, hoping they can do it.
You going?
We're celebrating this momentous occasion with some bananas, the only thing we can afford between us all.
Okay, let's go. Let's go!
Yay!
We're in!
We played after 28 hours, so we all just crashed and slept, and then we chilled this morning by the pool. We're all just grabbing some food, but mine and Nikki's especially, they're so nice,
super
but
spicy.
so hot. Massage.
It was one of the most painful things I've ever had done to me.
Yeah, generally my back hurts more than when I went in there.
Hopefully it'll do something for our muscles.
I swear the person was literally just enjoying creating pain. Luang Prabang everywhere closes at 11:30, so it's 1 AM and we're all just bowling. The French are making us look stupid with their scores.
Kuang Waterfall for the next few hours. Heard some pretty good things about it, so hopefully it lives up to expectation.
That's a crazy spider.
It's our first view of the waterfall and it looks absolutely incredible. It's so blue. Oh, wow. You ready to lob yourself in? It's like something out of a fairy tale. This is not real. That is crazy. Of course, it's photo time. Such a cool place. Rob Gascoigne.
Didn't send me no letter. Don't think I could forgive you. See, our word is slowly dying. I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could believe you.
So cool. When Nikki's freezing cold. Woohoo! Just gonna go take my shower. Vang Vieng, getting some food, pretty chill day today, and then tomorrow we're going tubing. This is the river, we're going to go tubing down it tomorrow, and then hopefully there's like a blue lagoon that we'll go to on the day after, so it should be a good 2 days.
We're at this pretty cool bar which is right next to the river, so we've just been here for the afternoon having a few drinks, just about to watch a nice little sunset from over these big rocks. So it should be quite a nice evening.
Their houses were destroyed. Don't think they could forgive you.
About to go tubing. Oh. Come on, Nikki. Come on. I can't even slow down. Come back. Catch up. So you got to get across to the bar. Gotta go. Everyone trying to make it to the bar. Nikki's all the way over there, will she make it? Nikki got fished out. It's called mud bar, mud wrestling. Oh, I don't know if I got that. I don't know if I missed it. Nikki, you look a bit white. Tim, you alright, mate? How good's your shot? Come on, right here. That's the one. Oh, what a catch. This guy, he knows what he's doing. Show us your tongue. Nice, green team. Yes, green team. No, you're blue. You're blue. Andy. That's someone's team mascot, which they're trying to get a photo with everyone. Now it's Nikki's turn. She's looking for someone who can do a handstand. 5 minutes. Go.
Anyone.
Oh. Get it on. So cool. You just float down to the next bar. You don't even need a taxi.
It's like the best bar ever.
Oh, good thing. How are you today? You good? Woo! Graceful. Good job no one's here to watch. So, what do you think to the photo? Do you think it's good? You like it? Yeah? Alright.
One in.
Beer pong time. What do you think? We gonna win?
Oi, on here as well, on here.
For me? For me? Okay. Me and my bro. What, you on this one? Do you want to swap? Dude, hello? 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 Do you want to swap? We'll swap puppies. Okay. You have that one? And I'll have this one. Oh, hang on.
Tim, you're on. You want me to give it to him?
Yeah.
Tim.
Is it on now? Is it on now?
What's it like up there?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, when there'll just be silence, and when life will be over, don't think you will forgive you.
Hey!
Opa! Get with the comeback, guys, son!
Keep going, keep going!
Get that, son!
Come on.
Oh!
Crap buses continues. This is apparently a VIP bus. We've got a cracked windscreen up front and then some benches. You happy? We're now back in Thailand. We're waiting for a bus. We left Laos, I'm pretty sure. I think every day pretty much we spent it in a river or like drunk. So, but it was such good fun. Yeah, we're now heading to Chiang Mai. So bye.